Hey, 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 hey. Hey y'all. I haven't vlogged in probably since, I don't even know when the last time I vlogged was, because I started a new job. I was super busy with that. Then kids sports and life and blah blah blah, and then quarantine happened. So I just want to check in with you guys and see how quarantine was going for you all. Are you sick of your kids? Are you sick of your man? I'm not really sick of anybody right now, because I have this cute little room that's just mine, really, and it's the adult room. So Robert does come in here, but other than that, we don't mix with the kids in here usually, unless somebody's in trouble. And even then, I try to keep like, this ain't the trouble room, because that's some bad vibes and bad juju. I don't need that. So let's see. As far as quarantine with the kids, Jada took it the hardest, I think, because obvious reasons, right? She's in 8th grade. It's her last year in middle school. She's going to high school next year. And she had all these big plans, her 8th grade walk, her 8th grade dance, or formal social, whatever you call it. Cheerleading tryouts for high school. It's the last lacrosse season. She started with a new team. They were undefeated, so they were probably going to the championship. It was a lot of reasons why she's sad about not finishing out with her friends for 8th grade. But also, you know, instead of stuck at home, we try to say you're safe at home, which is obviously what we are. We're safe, right? So we're practicing social distancing. We haven't seen friends other than a girlfriend of mine did drop off some braiding hair so I could do these knotless braids. So she did drop that off for me. Thank God for Katina, because my hair was a mess. It wasn't really a mess, but it was just a lot. I have thick hair. It's a lot of it, and it's not super long. It's probably like right here. So it's just a lot. And she dropped us off donuts. I love her. So we haven't really been seeing friends or anything like that. We've kind of just been with each other, getting to know each other in different ways, a lot of hanging out, a lot of conversations, a lot of Netflix and chilling. I mean, we Netflix and chill. Like, I'm gonna be chilled out, okay? Chill the hell out. But most importantly, we're home. Zara stopped going to her daycare provider. We miss her a lot, and I think Zara misses her because Zara be showing her ass. She be showing her ass, y'all. I mean, just like, whose kid are you? What is going on? So we miss her a lot. But she's been home. Little Robert, he goes between his mom's and our house every other week or whatever. So that's just normal. We just try to hope that everybody's practicing the same stuff that we're practicing. We co-parent, and that's a part of the co-parenting life. You know, Jada, her dad just comes by and says hello, social distancing still. And he doesn't have to, but he kind of respects the fact that I'm crazy. And I'm like, oh my God, everybody stay away. I don't want my kids to get sick. So hopefully this thing, hopefully it ends soon, but if it doesn't, we'll just be safe at home. And it's important to know that that you're blessed, you're alive, you're healthy. My anxiety was through the roof the first few weeks. Like, I had literally had to do like this technique I saw online to like tap my hand and say, you are safe, you are healthy, you're fine. You are safe, you're healthy, you're fine. Because it was the thought of, oh my God, going to the grocery store. What if we catch it? So many people were dying. There was so many unknowns. And I was just like, okay, I am consuming too much news and I needed to cut back. So I stopped watching. So I stopped watching the news because I can't, like, it's too much. So I definitely think for your health and your mental health, if you need to cut back, stop watching the news. If you have friends that share articles all the time, respectfully say, hey girl, like, it's too much for me. Log off of Facebook. I'm on Facebook all the time. So log off of Facebook. Just do what you have to do for your own mental health and sanity or whatever. I've been able to do some things that I haven't been able to do previously. Like, I've been blogging again. Well, I did like a crab leg blog because I made crab legs at home because we love juicy crab. And I wanted one of those little pouch drinks and some crab legs. And I had it earlier this week. And I put the recipe on how I made it in blog form because it was easier for me to send because people were asking. So I've done that. And I plan to like revamp my whole website. but I just haven't had the chance to really focus on that. I enrolled in like a couple of little learning courses, contract negotiation, things like that, for my career. I've been working out. I lost 7 pounds. Hey, 7 pounds. I lost 7 pounds. But I really have to give credit to Effect Fitness on Instagram. They are the bomb. Like, Effect Fitness, they are amazing. I've known about the classes for a long time. A lot of my GSU peeps go to work out there, but it's far from me because I live in like north and it's more south. So I never have actually taken a physical in-person class, but they started offering their classes on live. I never miss a day if I can. It's high impact, so it can be hard on your knees, but you can modify and like catch in what you need to. So I totally recommend doing that. I think that saved me. So I've been working out and just enjoying my family. I mean, doing little home improvement projects here or there. I try to do some gardening. I try to plant some basil and stuff. We'll see if it grows. That shit's not gonna grow, but we'll see. So I'll definitely update you on my plants. A lot of drinks. Drinks. That's good too. A lot of drinks. Yeah, just chilling. I'm kind of active on Facebook because you might as well be. So just doing things like that. Like I said, braiding my hair. Yeah. So I braided my hair maybe a week ago at this point, and I love it. I'm never going back to regular hair. No, just kidding. But done that, cleaned up some things, cleaned out some spaces that I hadn't cleaned out previously. So I found stuff to make myself busy and keep myself busy. And just I keep telling myself we're safe at home. We have everything we need, and we're so blessed because so many people are dying and, you know, critically ill, and you just have to be thankful for where you are and what you have, because if you're not, I think that's when you allow other things to come in and take over, that depression, that misery, that sadness. And yeah, things are tough for a lot of people. And if you have income coming in, if you have food in your fridge, just be thankful. If you're not stuck with some dude you don't like or some chick you don't like, some of y'all stuck. Yeah, but I'm not gonna talk about that. But just, you know, be thankful. I'll definitely come back and do another box or Ipsy review or whatever, because I talked about it with some people on Facebook, but I had an Ipsy subscription and they were sending me all these damn samples. And like, it's fine, but like, I don't need, like, look at all this little, like, it's so little, look. Like, everything's so little. So like I'm grown. Like everything's little. I need big products. What boxes are y'all subscribed to? I heard BoxyCharm is the bomb, but I have never used BoxyCharm. I may have to check them out, but they're $25 a month, and I feel like in this climate it's not wise to spend money on things like that. So instead I spent $25 on plants. I mean, it just makes more sense to me. I'm definitely trying to figure out a skincare routine that works for me, because my skin has been like irritated. I don't really have breakouts, but just irritation. So I've been trying to figure that out and drink lots of water and mind my business and be a little nosy. I send the most ratchet memes to my friends because that's who I am. I'm that girl. I'm like so mommy and loving and all that, but I'm so inappropriate. Like, I have the worst sense of humor. So I still do things like that, but I'll definitely do an unboxing with the Ipsy. And I am looking forward to catching up with you guys and staying a little more consistent, because what else you got to do? So peace and cheers.